welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track spending in PocketSmith calendar view. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, once you're in your PocketSmith app, all you gotta do is simply go to your calendar section. So once you're in your calendar section, you need to create a budget event. So you can simply tap on it and you have to set up your calendar. However, if you have already set up a calendar, then you will get that specific event right over here. So you need to simply add a new budget, and then for recurring expenses like rent, bills, you can select a repeating option, and for one-off expenses, choose a single event option. So once you have done this as well, all you can do is simply assign details, assign amounts, category, and different kind of accounts, and tap on save the budget. Now you can simply understand your spendings. You can simply understand it by past dates, future dates, and budget versus actual amount spent on your calendar feature. So by doing this, you can track your spending in PocketSmith by the help of Calendar View. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We are going to be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.